This video is going to be plan B and C for covering a wall. This demonstration is going to be using the shed locker assignment, but this can be used for any project. So if you're trying to cover the wall and for whatever reason, if you're trying to use rectangle, because usually what we do is we use rectangle and we start at the top, one of the top corners, we bring it back down over to one of the bottom corners, we cover it, and then we pull it out. So if that's not appearing, not working for whatever reason, or if you're trying to pull it out and there's things in the way, what have you, so we're going to look at plan B and we're going to look at plan C. So plan B, instead of putting a rectangle over top, plan B would be trying to, we're going to go something like this. We're going to say, okay, let's make a rectangle and we're going to hang it off the side just like so. And let's bring it up to, so in this particular instance, let's bring it all the way up to here. Okay. And there we go. So I'm just going to move this around and you can see exactly what we've got. Okay. So we've got a rectangle hanging off the side. So this is plan B on how to cover that wall. So let's use our push-pull. And hopefully, unless there's something in the way, this thing's going to go all the way across the back. And I'm going to touch that, and it covers up that wall. Now in the event there's stuff in the way, so perhaps your stuff's not quite lined up. So let's say if for whatever reason you inadvertently did not grab components by the corner, and you've got some stuff, like see here, we've got some stuff just kind of randomly hanging out, but for whatever reason it didn't get in the way. But if you had something in the way and it didn't work, the other thing that we can do is we can make ourselves basically a giant piece of plywood. Now I would discourage you from making it too big, but make yourself a giant piece of plywood, something like this, but I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. So let's just go like so, just make a nice big piece of wood that you know is going to be bigger than your object. And since our stuff's supposed to be 0.5 inches thick, we'll just do that, and then we're just going to make it into a component like so. And we're going to flip that over 90 degrees. Okay. Okay. And we're going to just grab this by the corner. Corner's preferable. Okay, pick that up. Let's go on over to here. And let's intersect it with that corner right there. Zoom in. Now obviously there's a bunch of extra, and that's fine. A lot of extra. So what we're going to do is we're going to go edit component. Let's edit that component, and we're going to draw a line from there, and we're going to go over to here. Okay, and let's go down to there. Okay, and in this instance we're just going to use push-pull, go to limit, and it should disappear. And now if we get out of edit component mode, we should have our wall covering. So you've got plan B and you've got plan C. Once again, I use the shed locker for this demonstration, but it works on anything that you're going to be working on. I hope that's helpful.